Welcome to our assembly guide for your new delivery table. This video will walk you through the easy steps to set up your delivery table, designed for both practicality and style in medical environments. First, carefully unpack the box. And remove all components. Lay the components on a clean surface to avoid any damage. Here's a quick overview of what you'll find inside the box. Leg base with connecting strip, 1 number. Leg base with connecting strip and ball ring bush, 1 number. Leg base support, H-type, 1 number. Connecting square pipe with bracket, 1 number. Connecting pipe, 1 number. Gas spring assembly, 1 number. Main frame assembly, 1 number. Back section assembly, middle section assembly, leg section assembly. Lithotomy pad, 1 pair. Lithotomy pole with stainless steel T-knob, 2 number. Stainless steel bowel, 1 number. Stainless steel pole ring, 1 number. Stainless steel side railing, 2 number. Head side panel, 1 number. Corner bumper with bolt, 2 number. Hand grip clamp with stainless steel T-knob, 2 number. Hand grip, 2 number. Stainless steel T-knob, 2 number. 4-hook telescopic
IV pole,
1 number. Mattress, 1 set. Step 1. Unscrew the nuts and bolts from the connecting strip. Position the leg base with the connecting strip and the leg base with the ball ring bush parallel to each other. Step 2. Unscrew the bolts from the H-type leg base support. Position the support correctly and secure it using the provided bolts and spring washers. Use a 15 mm spinner to tighten the bolts. Step 3. Unscrew the bolts from the connecting square pipe and bracket. Align the connecting square pipe with the leg base, then secure it using the provided bolts and spring washers. Use a 15 mm spanner to tighten the bolts. Step 4. Unscrew the bolts from the connecting pipe. Align the connecting pipe with the leg base, then secure it using the provided bolts and spring washers. A 15mm spanner to tighten the bolts. Step 5. Carefully align the main frame assembly with the connecting strip on the leg base. Fasten it to the connecting strip using the provided nuts, bolts, and plain washers. Use a 19mm spanner to tighten the bolts. Step 6. Attach one end of the gas spring to the bracket on the connecting square pipe using the provided nuts and bolts. Use a 15mm spanner to tighten the bolts. Secure the other end of the gas spring to the main frame connecting strip using a nut, bolt, and plain washer. Use a 19mm spanner to tighten the bolts. Step 7. Insert the side railings into the designated bush fittings, then insert the head side panel into the bush fitting located at the head section. Step 8. Loosen the stainless steel T-knob, then slide the hand grip clamp onto the hand grip support pipe. Step 9. Insert the hand grip into the hand grip clamp and securely fasten it using the provided stainless steel T-knob. Step 10. Insert the ball ring into the ball ring bush and securely place the bowl onto the ring. Step 11. Attach the corner bumpers on both sides of the head section using the provided bolts. Use a 15mm spanner to tighten the bolts. Step 12. Carefully place the mattress over both the head and leg sections of the delivery table. Step 13. Insert the ivy pole into the designated bush fittings side of the head section. Step 14. Insert the lithotomy pole into the lithotomy bush and secure it using the provided stainless steel T-knob. Step 15. Position the threaded rotating bush of the lithotomy pole vertically and secure it using the T-knob. Then, by rotating it clockwise onto the threaded rotating bush until it is firmly in place. Thank you for choosing our gym ball set. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to inflate your gym ball using the provided foot pump. Here's a quick overview of what you'll find inside the box. Inside your package, you'll find 2 gym balls in 2 different sizes and colors. One pink, approximately 65 centimeters, and one blue, about 95 centimeters in diameter. You'll also receive quick inflating foot pump, 1 number, plug removal tool, 1 number air plugs, 2 number made from durable PVC. Our gym balls are strong, firm, and resistant to deformation or fracture. The outer surface is textured, non-slip, and easy to grip, designed to be both anti-burst and slip-resistant for your safety. However, please note, while the explosion-proof design can handle high pressure, it's not puncture-proof against sharp objects. Let's get started with inflating the gym ball using the foot pump. First, remove the rubber band from the hose. The hose has two same-sized nozzles at each end. Connect the hose to the blue nozzle on the pump. Now, select the appropriate needle and attach it securely to the end of the hose. Gently insert the nozzle into the valve hole of the gym ball. Make sure it fits snugly to prevent air leakage. Begin pumping using your foot or hand. You'll notice the gym ball slowly expanding. Continue until the gym ball reaches its full size. Once fully inflated, quickly insert the air plug into the valve to seal it. Our gym balls are perfect for yoga, Pilates, stability training, or even as a ball chair while working or studying. Ideal for women, pregnant moms, fitness beginners, and pros alike. Thank you for choosing our gym balls. Welcome to the Birthing Stool Assembly Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to assemble your birthing stool safely and efficiently. Before starting, please ensure you've read the assembly manual for complete instructions. Before you begin assembly, ensure you have the following components. First, base. 1 number, second, top. 1 number, third pillars. 4 number, 4 bolts and washers. 1. Set 5. Allen key. 1 number. When unpacking, handle all components with care. Remove all packaging materials and place the parts on a clean surface to prevent scratches. Step 1. Put the base on the floor level. Step 2. Insert all pillars into the grooves on the base. Tighten the pillar with the help of bolts, 1 inch and plain washer provided. Uses 5 number. Allen key. Step 3. Put the top onto the pillar. Tighten it with the help of bolts, 1.5 inch and plain washer. Provided. Uses 5 number. Allen key. Step 4. Now, the birthing stool is ready to use. Congratulations! Your birthing stool is now fully assembled. For optimal safety, always place the stool on a level surface during use. Regularly inspect all connections to ensure stability and durability. Thank you for choosing our delivery table. For additional support or inquiries, please refer to the user manual or contact our customer support team. We're here to assist you.